Okay. So, yun. Taas ang echo. Tingnan natin. Testing. Okay na. Hello. So, last time, sorry. Yun. So, last time, ano topic natin last time? Yung sa help. Hanipin ko lang natin notes natin. Okay. So, right now, we're going to discuss would be managing users. Okay. So, yun ang topic natin. We have covered the most basic commands, last three topics. So, mukhang okay naman na yun. Dali. Ayun. Tinanggal natin yung camera para hindi hassle. Limutan ko tanggalin, sorry. So, see here. So, right now, we're going to go with users. So, few videos ago, I created in our discussion, I've used the add user. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang command dito, the add user. Okay, and then the other one is the user add. So anong pinagkaiba nilang dalawa? The other one is for dump. The other one is dump. Okay, pang tamad yun kasi hindi complete yung ginagawa niya. This one is a little bit complete. The other one is complete. The one I'm talking about is the add user. Okay. So let's try to see. First, let's view cat/etc/etc/passwd. So you see the users here. So right now we have Oliver, okay, and then we have the Ken. So delete muna natin si Oliver. Okay, sudo user delete Oliver password. There, and then clear. Now let's go with cat. Ano yan? Cat etc/pass wd password. There, wala na silang Oliver too. So, let's review using the add user. So, let's say for example, this is your server, okay? And then your server needs several users. So, i-discuss ko na dito yung demo natin. So, let's create users. So, ikaw yung root. Yung admin isa doon sa mga yan. So, let's add user. Sudo add user. Student 1. Student 01. Okay. So, anong password ni student 01? Student 01. The password is student 01. Full name is student 01. Room number doesn't matter. And then, yes. Okay. So, cat /etc/password. Enter natin. Ayun si student 01. So, if you can observe here, this is the username. X goes for the password. Okay, this is the user ID. This is the group ID. If I'm no, ano na yung dalawa na yun? Ano nga ba yun? Anyways, this is the group. Something like that. So you have a group name and then your username. So dalawa palagi yung kini-create niya doon. And then it's located in the home student 01. The shell it's using is bash. So let's try kung nandoon nga siya na nag-exist. So ls natin, clear muna natin. Here, then ls. Let's go with cd home. Home ls. Yun. Andun pa rin si Oliver. Remove user delete. Ano ba? Nandun pa rin. Anyways, ayusin ko na lang yun mamaya. So, going back, we have student 01. ls natin. cd student 1 less so, cd / at least you have the user itself, and then ls natin. So text, wait, that's etc So, sabi natin kanina, meron na daw siyang password na create which is dito sa may X. Saan natin siya pwedeng i-view o saan natin siya pwedeng ma-verify yun? Paano nga ba? The password actually is in the shadow. Okay? So, paano natin siya i-view? Doon sa balik tayo sa may etc. So, cd ls. We have a shadow here na folder. Not mistaken. File pala. We have a shadow file here kasi yung isa passwd. So, pwede nating i-access yun. Cat shadow. Oh, sorry. May nalimutan tayo. Tutukan natin siya ng one. Ha? Sudo. Cat shadow. Yun. So, ito. You have here student01. Meron siyang password. Ito yung password. But this is in the form of hex dump or ASCII or whatsoever. So, naka-con siya encrypt. Ganun din dito kay Ken. Okay. So, gaya na nasabi natin kanina, meron tayong dalawang type ng command. We have the add user and then meron tayong user add. Anong difference nun? Dalawa na yon. So, let's try to create another user. For example, student02. This time, add user add ang gagamitin natin. So, user add. Okay, student02. Permission denied. May kulang tayo. Ano po yon? What is the magic word kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng permission denied? Yes, that's right. Sudo. Okay, so kapag halimbawang ayaw maghugas ng pinggan ng kapatid mo, hugas ka ng pinggan, ayaw niya, sabihin mo sudo. Sudo, hugas pinggan. Now. So sudo, user add, student 02. Pasok na ngayon siya. Now let's check doon sa may cat etc/password. Cat passwd. Yan. Student user add. Okay. Kulang-kulang yung naikokon sa kanya. Okay? So, cd dot. Okay. Let's go with cd home. Is that home? ls. Cd home. And then ls natin. Wala dun. Si student 02. So, kapag kinreate niya yun, lalabas na sa user add, when you use the user add thing, it doesn't create other files for you. It's just, okay, you have the new user. Okay. Let's see if there's also password here. It says here meron siyang password under student 02. But let's see if it's true. cd backslash, cd / and then at /etc/shadow. Yaw, haluin natin. Nalimutan natin ang magic word. Ano yung magic word? Yes. Sudo at etc/shadow. Yun. So if you could observe here, under student 01, meron siyang password, pero under student 02, wala. Kulang. Kulang yung data. So, paano natin lalagyan ng password si student 02? Dali lang po. All you have to do is password. Student and 02. Oh, you may not have you modified information for. So, ayusin natin. Sudo password student 02. Tama ba? Double check natin yung. Okay. And then enter. Password. Oh. Mabe. Student. Yan. Okay. The new password would be student02. Student02. Password updated successfully. Now let's check kung magbabago itong shadow file natin. So, up key lang natin, sudo cat shadow. There you have it. So, ganun po yung pag-update natin. Okay? So, ano pa ba? Right now, who am I? Okay. Log in as Ken tayo. So, pwede ba tayo mag-log in as student 01? Pwede siguro. Subukan natin. So, how are we going to do that? So, it's very easy. All you have to do is su, okay, dash, space, and then the name, student 10, 0, yan. You have to know the password, of course, is student 01. So, who natin, sorry, who am I should say. I am logged in as student 01. So, for example, the administrator, Ken, in-add niya si student 01. And then, ikaw nang bahala dyan sa server natin. Mag-add ka ng ibang users. So, let's see kung sudo cat slash etc slash password student 01. Say there. Student 1. Student 01 is not a sudo worst file. This instance will be reported. So, ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Hindi siya capable na mag-create or gumamit ng sudo. Okay? So, si Ken lang, si user Ken lang ang capable na mag-create na gumamit ng sudo. Diba? So, paano ngayon yun? Ang gagawin natin ngayon doon. So, gagawa tayo ng capability para sa kanya. So, check din natin cat /etc/shadow. Wala din. Okay? Hindi niya mapasok. Kasi ordinary user lang siya. So, let's exit first. Nag-log out tayo. Then, cat, ano pa ba? etc/password. Okay. Bago pa pala yun. So, nandito tayo kay Ken. So, mamaya natin gagawin ng permission si student 01 para magkaroon siya ng sudo capability. So, pansinin ninyo, kasi user add ang ginamit natin kay student 02. Here you could see the normal shell lang yung gamit niya. Hindi siya gumagamit ng bash type ng shell. So, can we adjust that? Yes, pwede na tayong mag-modify ng users dito. Pero hindi yun yung modifications ang gagamitin natin kay student 1 para maging sudo user siya. So, how we're going to do that? It's very simple. Sudo, and then user mod, and then student 02. Okay. Dash the shell will be bin/bash. Yeah. Command niya to modify the user mod command. If you want to know more about this, you could use the help, the -h, okay, or -help I should say, and then the man. You can view that dun sa may una nating video on how to use it. So let's try again kung ayos na siya. Yeah, bash na yung ginagamit. So the next thing that we're going to do is allow student 01 to be one of the sudoers in the sudoers list. Okay, so paano natin gagawin yun? So first, let's go with the sudoers list. Got, ano nga ba nakalagay yun? Hanapin natin. So clear. And then let's go with the visudo. Visudo. Ayan. Ito yung sudoers file natin. But we don't go directly here. It's because tayo ay pagagalitan. Yes. Mahirap galawin po ito. Itong sudoers temp na direkta. So, yung visudo file ang gagawin natin in relation to that. Okay? parang nakakatawa. Pero ganun din naman yun eh. Pero I don't know, that was the one recommended. So, dito na lang tayo mag-edit. So, makikita ninyo, ito pala. Do you remember nung nag-type tayo ng wrong password? Pangit yung, may pangit. Pag mali yung password na nilagay ninyo is that there are some insults na lumalabas. This one yun. So you could edit that, just simply type defaults, insults, so lalabas siya dyan. So this is the sudoers file. So browse lang natin dito. Yun. If you could see here, user privilege specification. Okay? These are the people or users that has sudo access. So ito yung mga sudo niya. So ano lalagay mo lang dito? Lalagay lang natin dito sa line na to would be the student, the username is student01. Okay? Space all files or all access, and then files all. And make sure that you're going to write this one under the user privilege specification. Okay? And then, ano pa ba? Wala naman na siguro. Dito sa baba, group na to eh. Mamaya. If sudoers, later on, papalitan natin yan, buburahin natin yan. So, Control X for exit save would be yes. Press Y and then enter. Okay. Now, let's try. Su dash student 01 word student 01 siya. And then let's try now. Cat /etc. Pasok na ngayon siya. Di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan ng pwede siyang mag-access. Okay? So this is 01. So let's add. User add student 03. Natin. Permission denied. Sudo student 03. Password student student 03. Sorry. She's asking for the password of student01. So, student01. Yan. Yun na. So, nagawa na siya. Let's see kung nagawa. Sudo cat etc/passwd. Ayun. Ayun na si 03. Magawa pa tayo isa pa. User add student 04. Sudo. Ayan. Naniputan natin palagi. Sudo. User add student 04. Yun. Then up. At password. Meron siyang dalawa. Ayun. Student 03 and 04. Take note, it's already student 01 yung gumagawa nito. Okay? Ayun. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba? So, yun. Let's see. Natin. Sorry. Technical call lang tayo kanina. Sudo at etc. We have the following users: student 01, student 02, student 03, and student. So the next thing that we're going to do would be kailangan na nating ibalik sa dati ito. So tanggalin na natin yung iba. So ano na nga uli yung command na yun? Nalimutan na natin. Delete users. User delete or delete users? We don't know. So apropos. Delete. So user. Nothing apropos users. Yun. The users, print the username. Hmm. Sudo appro. Nothing appro. Actually, the command is user del. Okay, so sudo appro. Yun, sa user del. Create a user account. Ako natin nga. Appro. Ako natin to. Kaya niya yung multi. Meron. Kami. Create a user. Dami din. Ayan. Anyways, the command is user del. Clear natin. Sudo cat etc slash p. So, sudo. Okay. User del student 04. Lang natin rin dyan. Sudo 3 2 and isa pa. Yan. Malinis na. Sudo slash sudo cat etc slash password. Yun. Nana. Okay. So that's it. Check natin doon sa may kabila. Baka may mga directories pa siya. So lilinisan natin. Kasi if you could see man user del. So user del deletes user account and related files. So related files lang. The folders, hindi. So paano natin siya lilinisan? ls tayo. So cd home. If you could see, nandito pa rin si cd1. Oh yeah. Bakit student 01 at saka Oliver nandito pa pero yung student 0203 walang nakalagay dito kasi ang ginamit natin was user add, hindi add user. Sa add user kasama pati folders na magki-create, pero sa user add yung user lang itself. So obligado tayong linisan ito mamaya. So we're going to do that. Okay, so let's say apropos remove. And paano tayo mag-remove? So, remove directory. Okay, remove empty directories. rmdir. Okay. So, quit. rmdir -- help. Diba natin gamitin yan? So, remove directories, verbose, and then the directories itself. Okay. So, ls r sudo r dir and student. Lagyan natin ng verbose para masaya. Student 0. Oh. cd rm cd student less s -al files that bash history that bash. So we need to remove the directory and itself kasi may mga iba pang files na nandoon pala si student 01. So cd dot dot less muna tayo, cd oliver ls-al yung mga hidden files, meron ding mga files ito. So what do we need to do? We need to find the command to delete all the directories including yung mga files inside it. cd dot dot. So apropos, I'm using the apropos here, delete. So user delete delete module. Another one. Oh, wait. Do I propose? Okay, remove directory. Remove rmdir and rmdir. Let's see dito. Verbose, help parents ignore. Add siya. So, kung anong sabi ni Kon dito. Ni Google. How to remove directory with files in Ubuntu. The -R. RM. Command with compression. This directory is removed with the rmdir command cannot be removed nor can it be. Na. RM. Use the RM command. Oh, so we're going to use the RM command now. Okay. Quit. Command RM. Remove files or directories. So this one is different from dun sa rmdir. So RM. So let's see with what is the RM. Oh, please bear in mind, be careful dito ah. Kasi pag nagkamali ka, the entire thing will crash. Okay? So RM minus R. See here. Yeah. Oh, yun. I don't do this. CD, yeah, directories and their contents recursively minus R. RM minus R. Okay. So, quit. And let's see. Here, ls. And so sudo rm minus R. Student 01. Yan. ls. Na siya. Ganun lang kasimple. Ulitin natin. This one is for Oliver. Yan. ls. Don't do that to Ken. Kasi yan yung working environment natin ngayon. Magkakaroon ka ng problema. Okay? So, yung directory kanina was meron siyang laman kaya hindi natin siya ma-delete. Yun yung mga dot something, yung mga records na ginamit natin nung nag-log on tayo. So, in order to do that, we need to use the sudo rm minus R. So, this is deleting. Please be careful when doing this command, ha? Okay. Kung may natutunan kayo dito, please like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. So that ends our lecture for today.